Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be doing a really fun mani using dip powders from 915 Aesthetics. But before we get into these fun powders, we're going to start off with some color blocking. We're going to use that trusty 3M medical tape here for color blocking, and then I'm going to take this little silicone tool. And what that silicone tool does, it gets that tape down really flat and gets rid of any air bubbles. So it helps create a really crisp line when you peel off that tape. Now that color blocking nail is good to go. So check out this beautiful packaging. I love it so much. It has a very elegant flower on top. Overall, stunning, very aesthetic pleasing. Now we're going to go ahead and stir up these dip powders before we go ahead. It's always good practice to stir your solid dip powders just to get them all fluffy, ready to go for that first dip. So we are making press-ons today. We are doing the gel method. And stay tuned, we will be playing with dip liquids from 915 Aesthetics as well, which I cannot wait to dive into. So now we're working on this color blocking nail, and I'm just going to carefully apply that gel base to the nail on that area where we are going to be applying this beautiful pink. We are going to end up using all three colors. I feel like these colors right here are perfect staple colors to add to your collection. Plus, if you like pink, you could totally do a pink Christmas with these colors. All right, so normally I do not show my nail lamp, but this guy right here, it's new, it's awesome, and it's very bendable and flexible. You can manipulate this lamp however you want. Plus, it looks like a little cat, which is adorable. But this lamp right here also has a timer and it's adjustable. And if you like using jelly tips, this is a great lamp as well to apply your jelly tips to your natural nail. But I really like it. I cured for a full 30 seconds and it worked wonders. So I did not have any problems. It worked just the same as my other two nail lamps, which are my ride or die, which I do have linked in that description below. But I thought that one was a great option because if you liked placing jelly tips and you struggle trying to get it on and then sticking your hand in that lamp, because I prefer to just use one nail lamp. I don't want to have to like flash cure and do all these things when I am applying jelly tips or anything like that. So that's a great option. Plus, it's adorable and the price is just right. It is from Amazon, which I'll link that in the description box below. So we are diving into the second coat of the color blocking nail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and carefully apply the gel base to that tape, not to oversaturate it. But the best thing about this tape, it is a 3M medical tape, so it has like this waterproof barrier to it, which I love, and I feel like I get the most crisp, clean line with this medical tape here. I love it so much. I used to struggle with color blocking, stayed away from it, and then I would say maybe now for like 8 months, I've been rocking this medical tape and it is a game changer. My lines are crisp. It's really easy to peel off and I love it so much. And if you're not making press-ons and you are doing color blocking on your natural nail, you're gonna get a really good adhesion because it's gonna stick down onto that skin because it is a medical grade tape. It's awesome. All right, so we're moving in to the next color here, which is the perfect pomegranate pink red. It's like in between pink, in between red. It's perfect. If you're a pink girly, these colors are must have for the holiday season. You can do so many different manis with it and you can have a little pink Christmas on your nails. I just love them so much. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into these beautiful colors and then I'm gonna pop back in just a few moments.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this
dance,
Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
All right, so it's time to add this little decal here. So originally I was not going to add any extra nail art to this. I wanted that color blocking nail to be the statement piece, but there was something about that glitter that we used, and then I was thinking about this reindeer, and I was like, we need to put Rudolph in this mani. So that's what we're doing right now. So I placed that decal on the nail, and I'm taking this flat brush with a little bit of acetone, and I'm just pressing down ever so gently on that decal to have it become one with the nail and get rid of any air bubbles or lines or anything like that. Now we're going to go in to seal in this decal with a layer of gel base. Before we cure it, we're going to add one of those glitters right to the nose there, and I cured it for 30 seconds. Then to seal up this mani, we're going to go ahead and add gel top coat to the rest of the nails and cure for a full 60 seconds. And here is the finished mani. I did the rest of the top coat off camera. I love it so much. It is the perfect pinks. It screams holiday season, but yet it's still like the perfect pink combination. So if you're not into those traditional Christmas colors, these colors are not only perfect for the perfect pink Christmas mani for the holiday season, but they're great colors to add to your collection because you can rock these colors all year long. I love them so much. Plus, this formula of dip powder worked great with the gel method. Sometimes when you're working with reds or bright pinks, they don't really work well with the gel method. They'll kind of look like you have almost kind of like a sea glass effect or like a fogginess over it. This did not, I did not have any problems with these gels working with the gel method, so I'm super impressed, especially because these are a solid. So I love it so much. They're buttery, they're very soft, and when we were stirring up those dip powders, they were just fluffing up so nicely that I just overall am super impressed with these solids. If you're in the market for some great solid colors, 915 Aesthetics is going to be the way to go. So everything that we use in today's mani can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.